welcome back to my channel. Today topic is NASA Part 2. 1969 NASA designated the John Space Center as the lead center developing the design, development and manufacture of the Space Shuttle Orbiter, while Marshall Space Flight Center would led by the development of launch system NASA series lifting body aircraft, culminating in the joint NASA-US Air Force Martin Marietta X-24 directly informed development by the Space Shuttle Future Hypersonic Flight Aircraft. Official development of the Space Shuttle began 1972. Rockwell International Contract Design Orbiter Engine Martin Marietta for the external fuel tank of Molten Tycol for the solid rocket boosters. NASA acquired 6 Orbiter Enterprise Columbia, Challenger, Discovery and Atlantis endeavors. Space Shuttle program also allowed NASA to make dramatic change to astronaut corps, while almost all previous astronaut Air Force were naval test pilots. The Space Shuttle allowed NASA to begin recruiting more non-military scientific technical experts. As the prime example, Sally Ride become the first woman of fly space in STS-7, also allowed NASA to accept exchange astronaut from US allies and a partner of the occurred in 1981 when the Columbia launched on STS-1 mission designed to serve flight test for new space plane. NASA intended for Space Shuttle to replace extendable launch system like the Air Force Atlas, Delta and Titan and the European Space Agency Ariane. Space Shuttle Space Lab payloads are developed by European Space Agency dramatically increased by scientific capability shuttle mission over anything NASA were able to previously accomplish. The Space Shuttle Discovery Low Earth Orbit STS-120. NASA launched first commercial satellite of the STS-5 mission, and in the 1984 the STS-41C mission conducted world first on orbit satellite serving missions when the challenge of capture repaired malfunctioning solar maximum mission satellite. It also had the capability to return malfunctioning satellite to Earth like that. It did not be Palapa B2 and Vestar 6 satellite once returned to the Earth. Satellite were repaired and relaunched. Despite the ushering in a new era of space flight where NASA was contracting launch service commercial companies, Space Shuttle was criticized for the not being reusable and cost effective and advertised in 1986 Challenger disaster on STS-551L mission resulted loss of spacecraft and all 7 astronauts on launch, grounding the entire Space Shuttle fleet for 36 months and forced the 44 commercial companies that contract with NASA to deploy the satellite-rated expandable launch vehicle. When the Space Shuttle returned to flight with the STS-26 mission had undergone significant modification, improve reliability and safety on airspace Command's Defense Support Program. Visual warning spacecraft deploy from the Space Shuttle Atlantis on the STS-44 mission. Following the collapse of Soviet Union, the Russian Federation interstate initiated subtle MIRG program. The first Russian cosmonaut flew in the STS-60 mission 1994 under the Discovery Rendezvous but did not dock with the Russian MIR in STS-63 mission. It was followed by Atlantis STS-71 mission where it is accomplished initial intent mission for the Space Shuttle docking with the space station transferring supply and personnel. The shuttle MIRG program would continue until 1998 when the series of orbital accidents at the space station spelled at the end to the program. 2003 second Space Shuttle was lost when Columbia was lost upon re-entry of during STS-107 mission, resulting in the loss of spacecraft and all 7 astronauts. This accident marked the beginning the end of the Space Shuttle program, with President George W. Bush directing upon the completion of the International Space Station Space Shuttle be retired. 2006 Space Shuttle return flew several additional missions, flying several missions to service Hubble Space Telescope, but is far retired from the completion of STS-135 resupply mission International Space Station in 2011. Space Station Skylab 4 mission. NASA never gave up the idea of space station after the Skylab re-entry 1979, with the agency of begun lobbying politicians support building space station as soon as space shuttle began flying, sailing it as the orbital laboratory repair station and jumping off the point for lunar Mars mission. NASA found strong advocate President Ronald Reagan, who was declared 1984 speech, America was always been greatest when they dared to be great. We can research greatness again. We can follow our dream to descent star living and working space peaceful economic and science gain. Tonight I am directing NASA develop permanently manned space station and to be within the decade. 1985 NASA proposed space station freedom, which both the agency and President Reagan intended to be international program, while be would add legitimacy to program where concerned within the NASA international compound would be dilate authority of within the project having never been willing to work domestic or international partner. True equal, there are also concerns sharing sensitive space technology within the European, which is had the potential to dilate America technical lead. Ultimately, international agreement to develop a space station freedom program would be signed 13 countries in 1985, including European Space Agency, member state, Canada and Japan. Despite status of first international space program, space station freedom was controversial, which debate concerning cost of the several redesigns reduced cost were conducted in early 1990s, stripping away much function. However, despite call, Congress terminate program continued large part of because 1992 had created 75,000 jobs across 39 states. By 1993, President Bill Clinton attempted significantly reduce NASA budget, but the director cost be significantly reduced. Aerospace industry jobs were not lost and Russians be included. 1993 Clinton administration announced space station freedom would become International Space Station Agreement. The Russian Federation, this allowed Russian to maintain their space program through the infusion of American currency, maintain their status of the one of the two premier space program, while the interstate bullet launched majority of the International Space Station. Russia, Canada, Japan and European Space Agency all the contributed documents component. Despite NASA insistence, cost of would be kept budget $17.4, they kept rising. NASA had to be transferred fund from the other program to keep the International Space Station solvent. Ultimately, total cost station was $150 billion, with the interstate paying the 2/3 of following Space Shuttle Columbia disaster 2003. NASA was forced to Russian Soyuz launch for the astronaut, and the 2011 retirement of the Space Shuttle occurred the station completion 1980s. Right off after the first flight of the Space Shuttle, NASA started joint program with the Department of Defense to develop Rockwell X-30 National Aerospace Plan. NASA released Space Shuttle while massive technology accomplished would not be live up to promises, designed to be single stage to orbit space land, and the X-30 had both civil and military application. With the end of the Cold War, X-30 was cancelled 1994 before reaching flight status, unleashing commercial space and a return to the moon. The launch of the SpaceX Demo 2 from Kennedy Space Center, first US crewed space launch in the end of the Space Shuttle program. Following 2003 Space Shuttle Columbia disaster, President Bush started Constellation program, smoothly replaced by the Space Shuttle and expanded space exploration beyond low Earth orbit. Constellation was intended to use significant amount of former Space Shuttle equipped and return astronaut moon. However, Constellation program was cancelled by the Obama administration. The former astronaut Neil Armstrong, Gene Cernan and Jim Lovell sent a letter to President Barack Obama to warn him the interstate did not get new human space flight ability to US risked to become the third rate of space power. SpaceX crew 2 docks with the International Space Station early Reagan administration there had been calls the NASA expand private sector involved space exploration rather than the do all in-house. 1990s NASA and Lockheed Martin entered in an agreement to develop Lockheed Martin X-33 and the Venture Star space plan, which was the intended to replace Space Shuttle. However, due to technical challenge, spacecraft was cancelled 2001. Despite this, was first time commercial space company directly expanded significant amount of own rescue into spacecraft development by advanced the space tourism also forced NASA to challenge assumption that only government would have people in space. Of the first space tourist was Tito, an American investment manager, former aerospace engineer who contracted with the Russian to fly International Space Station 4 days despite opposition of NASA to idea. Advocate new commercial approach of our NASA include former astronaut Buzz Aldrin was remarked would return NASA its roots of research development agency and commercial entities actually operating space system of having a corporation take overall orbital operation would have also followed. NASA focus all effort to deep space exploration and returning human to moon and going to Mars. The embracing approach of NASA commercial crew program started contracting cargo delivery. International Space Station flew into first operational contracted mission SpaceX Crew 1, the marked first time since the retirement space shuttle that NASA was able to launch one astronaut and the American spacecraft from interstate ending decade of Reliance Russia. The 2019 NASA announced Artemis program intending return to moon and establish permanent human presence was paired Artemis Accords with the partner nation established rules, behavior and norms space commercialization of the moon active program human space flight International Space Station 1993 present. The International Space Station has been from the Space Shuttle Endeavour during STS-134 International Space Station ISS campaign NASA Space Station Freedom Project with the Soviet Russian Mir-2 station, European Columbus and station under the Japanese Kibo laboratory module. The NASA originally planned 1982 to develop Freedom alone, but US budget constraint led to merger these projects into single multinational program in 1993 managed NASA Russian Federal, which were manufactured to various factories around the world and have been launched by Russian Proton Soyuz rocket and the US space shuttles. One orbit assembly began in the 1998. Completion of the US orbital segment occurred in 2009 and the completion of Russian orbital segment occurred in 2010. Though there are some debates whether new models should be added a segment, ownership under the US space station established intergovernmental treaties agreement which divided station into two areas and allow Russia to retain full ownership. Russian orbital segment, US orbital segment allocated between the other international partner. Long duration mission to the ISR referred to IS expedition. Expedition of new crew member typically spend approximately 6 months of IAS initial expedition crew. Size of the three temporarily decreased to following Columbia disaster. May 2009 expedition of crew size had been 6 crew member. Crew size expected to be increased to 7. Number of IAS was the design for one. Now the commercial crew program become the operation IAS has been continuously copied for the past 23 years and 34 years days and having exceeded the previous record held by MIR has been visited astronaut and cosmonauts from the 15 different nations. Station can be seen from Earth with the naked eye and 2023 largest artificial satellite Earth orbit with the mass and volume greater than that any previous space station. Russian Soyuz and American Dragon spacecraft used to send astronauts and from IS several uncrewed cargo spacecraft providing service to IS. They are Russian Progress spacecraft which has done two since 2000, the European Automated Transfer Vehicle ATV since 2008, Japanese High-2 Transfer Vehicle HTV since 2009, uncrewed Dragon since 2012 and the American Cygnus spacecraft since 2013. Space shuttle before retirement was also used. Cargo transfer would often switch expedition. Crew member although did not have the capability remain docked for duration their stay. Between retirement of shuttle in 2011, commencement crewed Dragon flight 2020, American astronaut exclusively used Soyuz crew transport and from the IS highest number of people occupying IS has been 13. This occurred 3 times during late Saturn IS assembly mission. IS program is expected to continue 2030, after the which space station will be retired, destroyed, controlled, deorbit. Commercial resupply service 2008 present. Commercial resupply service mission approaching International Space Station. Commercial resupply service CRS are the contract solution of delivery cargo supplies the International Space Station ISS. On a commercial basis, NASA signed first CRS contract 2008, awarded $1.6 billion SpaceX 12 Cargo Dragon and $1.9 billion orbital science for 8 flight of the 8 Cygnus flight covering delivery to 2016. Both company evolved, created their launch vehicle product, support the solution of SpaceX with the Falcon 9 orbital with the interest. SpaceX flew first approachal resupply mission SpaceX CRS-1 2012 orbital science, followed 2014 of CRS orbital 1. 2015 NASA external CRS-1 20 flight for SpaceX 12 flight for orbital ATK. Second phase contracts known as CRS-2 solicited in 2014, contract were awarded January 2016 orbital ATK. Cygnus Sierra Corporation Dream, Cygnus Sierra Nevada Corporation Dream, Chaser and SpaceX Dragon 2 cargo transport flight beginning 2019 expected to last through 2024 March 2022. NASA awarded an additional 6 CRS-2 mission each to both SpaceX and Northrop Grumman. Northrop Grumman successfully delivered Guinness NG-17 IAS February 2022. In July 2022, SpaceX launched 25th CRS flight. SpaceX CRS-25 successfully delivered cargo of IAS in late 2022. Sierra Nevada continued to assemble their Dream Chaser CRS solution. Current estimate first launch early 2023. Commercial crew program 2011 present. Crew Dragon left and Starliner right approaching IS their respective mission. Commercial crew program CCP provides commercial operated crew transportation service and from International Space Station IS under the contract to NASA conducting crew rotation between the Expedition International Station program. American space manufacturer SpaceX began providing service 2020 using Crew Dragon spacecraft and NASA plan add Boeing Starliner spacecraft become operational sometime after 2022. NASA has contracted for 6 operational missions for Boeing 14 from SpaceX, ensuring sufficient support for IS through 2030. Spacecraft are owned and operated by the Venture and crew transportation is provided to NASA commercial service. Each mission send up to 4 astronauts to IS with the option of 5th passenger available. Operational flight occur approximately 1 every 6 months. Mission that last of approximately 6 months of a spacecraft remain docked to IS during mission. The mission usually overlap by at least few days between retirement of space shuttle 2011 first operation CCP mission 2020 NASA related Soyuz program transport astronaut IS Crew Dragon spacecraft launched space of up Falcon 9 Block 5 launch vehicle and the capsule returned to Earth. Splashed down in the ocean near Florida. Program first operation mission SpaceX Crew 1 launched November 16, 2020. Boeing Starliner operation flight will be now commenced after the final test flight which was launched Adapan Atlas VN-22 launch vehicle instead of splashdown. Starliner capsule returned to the land with the airbags at one of the 4 designated sites of Western United state Artemis 2017 to present SLS with the Orion Rolling Launch Complex 39B for test for March 2022. Since 2017, NASA crewed space flight program has been Artemis program, which involved help to US commercial space flight company and international partners such as ESA, JAXA and CSA. Goal of this program to land first woman and next man lunar space South Pole region by 2025. Artemis would be the first step towards long-term goal establishing sustainable presence of on moon lying foundation campaigns and bullet lunar economy and eventually sending human to Mars. Orion crew exploration vehicle was scaled over from cancelled constellation program Artemis. Artemis 1 was the uncrewed initial launch space launch system SLS that would also send Orion spacecraft distant retrograde orbit. NASA next major space initiative to be construction Lunar Gateway small space station lunar orbit space station will be designed primarily non-continuous human habitation. First tentative step returning crewed lunar mission will be Artemis 2, which was include Orion crew module propelled SLS with and launch 2024 mission to be 10 days mission planned. Briefly place crew 4 into lunar flyby. Construction of gateway would begin with the proposed Artemis 3, which was planned to deliver crew 4 to lunar orbit along with the first module. Gateway mission would last of 30 days. NASA planned to bullet scale deep space habitats such as lunar gateway and Nautilus X part of the next space technology exploration partnership. Next step of program in 2017, NASA was directed by Congressional NASA Transition Authorization Act 2017 to get human Mars orbit Martian surface by 2030. Support of Artemis mission, NASA has been funding private companies to land robotic probes lunar surface program known as Commercial Lunar Payload Service. Of March 2022, NASA was awarded contract for robotic lunar probes of two companies such as Intuitive Machine, Firefly Space System and Astrobotics. On April 16, 2021, NASA announced they had selected SpaceX Lunar Starship as its human landing system. Agency's Space Launch System rocket will launch 4 astronauts aboard Orion spacecraft for the multi-day journey lunar orbit, where they will transfer SpaceX Starship final leg of their journey useful of surface moon. November 2021 announced that gold landing astronaut on the moon by 2024 has slipped no earlier than 2025 due to numerous factors. Artemis 1 launched on November 16, 2022, returned Earth safely December 11, 2022. As the June 2022, NASA planned to launch Artemis 2 May 2024 and Artemis 3 December 2023. Additional Artemis mission Artemis 4 and Artemis 5 are the planned launch of after 2025. Commercial LUO developed 2021 to present. Commercial Low Earth Orbit Destination Program initiated by NASA to support work on commercial space station that the agency hopes to have placed by the end of the current decade. Replace the International Space Station. 3 selected company Blue Origin with the other orbital reef station. Concept of nano racks with the Starlab of the space station concept and the Northrop Grumman with the station concept based on the HALO model gateway station. Thank you.